That is the president I give to them. Just a big smile. Hallelujah. We can talk to them as we receive them.
Do you take Mama Janet again to be your beloved wife? Will you continue to love her? Will you continue to comfort her? Will you continue to honor her and continue to protect her? And will you continue to forsake all other women and remain faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
Mama Janet, do you take Reeba President Museveni again to be your beloved husband? Will you continue to love him? Will you continue to comfort him? Will you continue to honor him and continue to protect him? And will you continue to forsake all other men and remain faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, take you, Janet Kataha Museveni, again to continue to be my beloved wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in health and in sickness, to love and to cherish till death do us part, according to God's holy law, and this is my solemn vow.
This is done by authority given to me by God, the Church, and the civils of the government of the Republic of Uganda, that what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. And now, in expression of this affection, I request them to give each other a holy hand. In Jesus' name.
Izoba ekikuru ryari ekyatuleeta aha twena n'okusiima Ruhanga. N'okusiima Ruhanga ahabw'okuba atubeereire omwesigwa. Mmwe itwe turi baahi kureba ngu Ruhanga turabiza omu bunaku bugumire emirundi mingi ekintu kyona kikaba nikibaasa kutubaho konka omukono gwa Ruhanga ogw'embabazi gukaturinda gwaturabya omu bunaku obwo gwatukozesa emirimo ei tutakubaasize kukora nk'abantu konka Ruhanga ogwo ndikugamba nikyo kintu ekikuru ekitugemesereize kureba ngu twagira izooba eri twaza aha kanisa n'abarikutukunda boona barikubaasa kubaho batukwasa kutusiimiraho ruhanga.
And what are the facilitations for life? You talk of education, I am educated. You talk of wealth, I am rich. You talk of professional development. But all those are facilitations for life. Life itself is family. Family, which means wife, means children, means grandchildren. That's life. So some people confuse. They confuse facilitations for with life. And that's why they get lost, like those Europeans of yours.